Oh, sorry, it's not here.
He's in the corner.
Is he? Okay, here we go. Well, on my party list, he was grayed out.
Still a ninja, even though he's a gunbreaker.
It's distance based, so normally when somebody's grayed out, they're like super far away. Normally, those who haven't made it to the room yet are grayed out. Tower set 1. Rotating to B. Discharge number 2. Get ready for the mines. Good job. Spread.
Oh, it's on me.
1 each group, it's all good. Do your group, and tower set 2.
Elegant incoming.
Boss stays as it is.
I need a shield token.
Charged.
Good job.
Uh, 7 seconds. 5 seconds.
Dreadnought.
3 seconds. 1 and boom.
And I'm charging the tower.
Alright,
So
I'm
make
gonna get them.
Kitsune.
Okay, I'm away. Okay,
Spread into your groups.
12 seconds. Hope
That
we
was
go.
set 2, right? So now we're getting
was set 2,
yeah.
3.
Yeah,
Oh, grab my tether, please. Okay, 2, 1, done.
Ballistics. 1 each
Okay.
group. Very good. And yeah, 2 your groups. And tower set 3. Charge them as quickly as you can.
Alright, me again.
Good job on the towers. Very good.
Ten seconds.
Mines. Get ready for the mines. There they are.
Both are back.
Zoro, there's one at the far back on A. On A. On A. Zoro. Okay, I'll
And boom.
I'll-
Elegant
Alright,
on me
I'm
again.
getting them.
Moving away. Okay.
Share that beam. And spread into your groups.
Okay, we've got 10 seconds left on this thing. Okay, grab the tether, please. Okay, so
Tower
me.
set 4.
I need
Target
one on
group,
me.
go help. 2 people of target group. 1 and 2, go help.
Okay, it's
Good.
fine.
Charge them
Charge.
towers. Tower set 4.
Okay,
Good. That's
cool.
DPS. Dish had the elegant, so charge it with. Discharge them. Yep.
Okay.
Dreadnought, I'm rotating to C. Sorry, was a bit late with the rotation. You guys got this.
Together, please.
All good.
3, 2, 1. Pop.
Done.
The tower will pop on its own. New Allegan field.
Allegan on me.
Apartment.
Moving.
Get ready for the mines next. Mines come next. We get like 4, maybe 5.
Okay, here they are.
Almost everyone on left.
I'll take the black one. Okay.
Good job.
Wasn't there one here?
I think it was popped. Yeah, it was popped.
Okay, we're on 5 now, aren't we?
Alright. Now we get a little break, and as the
three.
2 Allegans come, then we
One.
spread.
Sure.
And boom.
Yeah,
Full
Allegan coming.
DPS. And now spread into your groups and watch the
Okay, from
Allegans.
Allegan
Kitsune.
Kitsune and
Kitsune Tish.
Oh
Alright,
boy,
Ertran, go front. Ertran, go front. Ertran, go front.
I'm gonna help a little bit here.
We're getting ballistic soon. Make sure you know what you're doing on tower set 5.
Okay, yep.
I'm
One
here, Big
bottom.
Zoro.
Yeah.
It's all good.
I'm taking the tethers if anything comes.
Okay.
Tower set 5. Tower set 5.
Okay,
Watch
4.
your Allegans.
3, 2, 1. Done. Charging tower.
3, 2, 1.
On charge.
Good job.
Allegan
Another
field again.
Allegan coming
Watch your new Allegans.
on me.
Hartman.
We're getting mines first. Pop the
Okay.
mines.
Tether.
I had 3 mines on my side, so that's 3 popped over here.
Okay.
I think we're all good on the mines.
Okay. We need LB3 soon though.
Yeah, as soon as
Just focus on both.
Dreadnought,
Focus on both.
get the Dreadnought down.
One Allegan done.
1.
And LB.
LB.
Wait,
One.
I'll put the...
Tish, LB now.
Yeah,
LB.
yeah, I'm doing it.
Allegan on me again.
Boy.
Come on, come on, come on.
GG, boys.
Yes!
Yeah, boy.
Amazing.
Take that, filthy robot.
Okay, so titles, yeah. Titles.
Feels good. Finally beat the boss again.
Fuck the loot. The title is what's important. So
Oh.
the Avatar is the title that we got. Everybody set that title. Just do it anyways. The Avatar.
I don't want any loot. You can have everything.
Wait, where can you change your...
Under C, under profile. The first thing under profile is title.
Yeah.
Right of your name. Loot.
Oh, we did it.
Only 2
finally got
more.
Savage. Under
That's
my belt.
that's 2 out of the 4 Savage has done now.
Nice.
Feels good, eh?
Oh yeah.
Oh, yes.